Hello students, welcome to Easy Class YouTube channel. Okay, in the last session we have discussed about the introduction of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid and the nomenclature and the general formula, common names of aldehydes and ketones we had seen in last session, and also we had seen two methods of or the two methods procedures of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Okay, in that first one is oxidation. In oxidation, the remembering point that is from alcohol means a primary alcohol, by using a primary alcohol in the presence of oxidizing agent, that is PCC, we will get aldehyde. In presence of if we use a secondary alcohol oxidized with the oxidizing agent PCC, we will get ketones. Okay, from primary alcohol we will get aldehydes, and from secondary alcohol we will get ketones. Okay, in next dehydrogenation we have learnt in last session, that is when primary alcohol passes over vapors of copper, we will get easily aldehydes. When we use the secondary alcohols, we will get ketones, same thing. But today or in this session we will learn the particular methods of preparation of aldehydes. Okay, we will learn methods of preparation of aldehydes. Okay, students, try to note all these steps and sentences which I will write here. Okay, now we will prepare first benzaldehyde. Okay, the first method of preparing a benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde, it is also a aldehyde compound. Okay, the benzaldehyde is prepared from acyl chloride. Okay, from acyl chloride. Okay, this acyl chloride, it is also known as benzoyl chloride. Okay, this acyl chloride also known as benzoyl chloride. These are very important for CET and NEET exams. Okay, from acyl chloride and or a benzoyl chloride. Okay, the explanation is like this: when benzoyl chloride, okay, when benzoyl chloride or acyl chloride or acyl chloride reduction with the hydrogen, okay, reduction process with the hydrogen in the presence of palladium, or barium chloride. Okay, or barium chloride, not, it is a barium sulfide. Okay, when benzoyl chloride or acyl chloride takes a reduction process in presence of hydrogen in the presence of palladium and barium sulfide, we will get it forms a benzaldehyde. Okay, it forms benzaldehyde. Okay, from benzyl chloride we will get benzaldehyde from the reduction process by in the agents like palladium and barium sulfide in the presence of. Okay, now I will write here the chemical reaction. Okay, this is a benzene ring. The benzyl chloride or acyl chloride is like this. This is a chlorine which attached to the carbonyl functional group. Okay, this is benzoyl chloride. When this benzoyl chloride takes in a reduction process, means in the presence of hydrogen with the help of the reagents palladium or barium sulfide, BaSO4, it gives benzaldehyde, means Okay, it gives benzaldehyde. C double bond O, and this is H plus HCl. One H is bond with the carbon atom and another H react with the Cl, and it comes output as a HCl, as a hydrogen chloride. Okay, this is the benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. This is the very important reaction, and this reaction it is called as a Reisman reaction. This reduction it is called Reisman's reduction reaction. Okay, this is Reisman's reduction reaction. This will ask in your board exam for 2 mark question. Okay, write a Reisman's reaction. You have to write this chemical reaction and this explanation. That's it. Okay, this is about the preparation of benzaldehyde. In May they will ask question like prepare a benzaldehyde from a benzyl chloride, or they will write this reaction in place. They will keep this place empty to write reagents. When we use a benzyl chloride in the presence of hydrogen, with the hydrogen, the reagents used is palladium or barium sulfate. That is, this reaction it is known as Reisman's reduction. In Reisman reduction, from we will get a compound that is benzaldehyde compound. Okay, this is about the preparation of benzaldehyde from benzyl chloride. Okay, next we will see the preparation of aldehyde from nitriles and esters. The next one is preparation of aldehydes from nitriles and esters. From nitriles and esters. Nitriles and esters. Okay, first we will study about the preparation of nitriles. Okay, when nitriles upon reduction, with the stannous chloride, and concentrated HCl, reduction with the stannous chloride and concentrated HCl, it forms imines. Okay, it forms imines. This is also different compound. Okay, it forms imines, not amines. It is imines which upon hydrolysis with concentrated HCl. Okay, hydrolysis with the concentrated HCl, it will produce a H3O atom. Okay, to form aldehydes, it will form aldehydes. Okay, this is the explanation, which is preparation of aldehydes from nitriles. Okay, when nitriles upon the reduction process with the stannous chloride and concentrated HCl, it forms imines. Okay, imines is formed when upon hydrolysis with concentrated HCl or H3O, it forms aldehydes. Okay, now we will see the chemical reaction. Okay, this is not a constant, sorry, this is dilute HCl. Initially, to convert a nitriles into imines, we will use stannous chloride or concentrated HCl. Later, by the hydrolysis process, we will use dilute HCl. Okay, now the nitrile, this is the nitrile group. One carbon is directly attached to nitrogen atom. Okay, this is nitrile. When taken in a reduction in the presence of stannous chloride, This is SnCl2, that is stannous chloride or concentrated HCl. It forms what? Imine. Okay, RCH double bond ONH. This is the imine. Okay, this is imine compound. Next, upon hydrolysis of in the presence of dilute HCl or H3O is produced, it gives what? RCHO, that is nothing but aldehyde. This is aldehyde group and it will come out the ammonia, that is NH3. NH3 will comes out. Okay, this is aldehyde, the byproduct, that is ammonia, and this is the aldehyde which we required compound. Okay, when nitriles upon reduction in the presence of stannous chloride and concentrated HCl, after the chemical reaction, this H will attach to this carbon atom, that will forms RCH and NH, that is nothing but this is imine compound. After hydrolysis in the H3O plus, it gives what? Aldehydes. Okay, NH3 is a byproduct. Okay, now this is the preparation of aldehydes from nitriles. Okay, this reaction also it is known as a Stephen's reaction. Okay, this reaction it is also known as Stephen's reaction. Okay, this is also a name reaction, that is this is Stephen's reaction. The previous reaction, that is Reisman's reduction reaction, this is Stephen's reduction. This is Stephen's reaction. Okay, first one, that is Reisman's reaction. In Reisman reaction, we prepared a benzaldehyde from benzoyl chloride in the presence of palladium and barium sulfite. Okay, next the preparation of aldehydes from nitriles and esters. In this first one, that is from nitriles, in nitriles we will use a reduction in the presence of hydrogen, and the agents use reagents, that is stannous chloride and concentrated HCl. After reacting with these two hydrogen atoms, it forms a imine group, and with the hydrolysis in the presence of dilute HCl, it forms a aldehyde and NH3 ammonia. Okay, and this reaction it is known as Stephen's reaction. So please note this reaction and write it in your notes. They will ask in examination, that is the reagents used and the byproducts and the products which we got, that is the final, that is aldehyde, and chemical compound of the chemical formula of a imine, that is also important, and a nitrate. From nitrate they will get aldehydes. Okay, now we will see the preparation of aldehydes from ester compounds. Okay, from esters. Okay, similarly after ester upon reduction in the presence of dilute diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Okay, in the presence of diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Okay, this is the reagent used in the preparation of aldehydes from esters. Okay, in this they are using diisobutyl aluminum hydride, that is nothing but aluminum hydride ALH and isobutyl, that is diisobutyl. Okay, to form a, they use a diisobutyl aluminum hydride to form aldehyde. The reagent using is diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Okay, the chemical reaction is as follows: CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH2 CH3. This is Okay, sorry, here O will comes because it is a ester group. Okay, this is ester. Ester, it is nothing but RC double bond O R dash. It is the general formula of esters. R, it is a alkyl group, that is substituent group. It is also R dash, one of a substituent group. Okay, when we are taken ester, when we will take ester upon reduction with the hydrogen, the reagents used aluminum hydride, that is isobutyl, that is diisobutyl aluminum hydride. It forms CH3 CH2 C double bond O H, that is out of 2 H, 1 H will attach to this carbon atom, that is this hydrogen, and remaining one more atom will attach to this oxygen atom, and it will form a hydroxyl group, and it is nothing but a alcohol. Okay, see here the byproduct is CH3 CH2O, this part. Okay, this part will break, and to this oxygen this hydrogen will attach, and it is nothing but ROH, that is alcohol. It is ethanol, and the aldehyde which we required, that is 1 2 3. Okay, that is nothing but we will get propanol. Okay, we will get propanol. Okay, here alcohol as the byproduct will comes, and here aldehyde will directly comes with the byproduct alcohol, that is this is alcohol, and here the reagent used is aluminum hydride, that is nothing but diisobutyl aluminum hydride. When react with the esters in the presence of hydrogen, it will form one aldehyde and another one is alcohol group. These are the very important reactions and important preparation of aldehydes, because this contains Reisman reaction and Stephenson's reaction, and next is from esters the reagent used is diisobutyl aluminum hydride, and it forms products. This is important in examination. They will give this much reaction and they will keep this as a blank, and you have to write this for 1 mark. Okay, here you will get a ethanol this side. Okay, the oxygen atom attached to the hydrocarbon group, it is forms a alcohol compound. Okay, see here, out of 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen will attach to this oxygen, and it forms a hydroxyl group, that is nothing but alcohol. Okay, remember name reaction Reisman, Stephens and esters. Okay, the next preparation of aldehydes I will continue in next session. Okay, bye students, thank you.